Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 16.3.1 on your A11 devices. And if you are on an A10 device on this version, you can set a passcode or touch ID while jailbroken. The method shown in this video is completely free. This method will work on your normal Windows PC just using a USB flash drive. It is very easy to do. For this tutorial, we will be using PaleNX. It is a completely free software and you can get it for free from its official GitHub page, as you can see it right here. Now, if you scroll down, you can get the ISO for this to write to a USB flash drive and make it bootable. And if you are seeing it in the future, you will find the latest releases right here. Let's open it and now get the latest release from here. So the latest as of making this video is 1.0.7. so get the AMD 64 one from here. Next guys, you will need Rufus to make this a bootable USB flash drive. So also the Rufus is completely free. You can get it from here. Alright, so when you have these two files, ISO and Rufus, just right click and open Rufus as an administrator. Now simply here attach a USB flash drive. So I am using this 2 GB USB flash drive, and now simply drag and drop the ISO onto Rufus. You don't have to change anything from here. Just simply hit start and make sure that you write in DD image mode. The ISO image mode will not work and may have issues, so make sure you write in DD image mode from here. So select this radio button, hit OK, OK again, and wait for the process to complete. Alright, once done, you will see ready here. Now simply restart your computer and boot from this USB flash drive. Alright guys, after restarting your computer, boot from the USB flash drive that you have just created. Go to the boot manager, press F9 or F12 depending on your computer's manufacturer, and you can use the UEFI mode or you can use the legacy mode. Both are working. So simply hit enter and wait for PaleNX to load. Alright, now simply connect your device via USB. Make sure that you trust on your device or this process will not work. Alright, now as you can see, this device is freshly restored. So you will have to first of all create fake FS to use this semi-tethered jailbreak. So simply hit Palera1n, then go to switch and make sure that root full is selected. Now go to options and select create fake FS first. So press the space bar and select it, then press enter, then start, and your device will go into recovery mode now. Alright, now get it into GAFU, press enter and simply follow the instructions on screen. Alright, now the process will start. So now it is booting, and now please wait here so that it will create the fake FS for you. The process can take about 10 minutes and you will see it right here also that it will take about 10 minutes. After your device boots up, you will not see the Palera1n loader app yet. What you will have to do is on your computer, press enter, then go to options and make sure that create fake FS is not selected this time. Press enter, then hit start, and again your device will go into recovery mode, and now press enter and take it into DFU mode again. Just follow the instructions on screen. Now simply wait for your device to boot up into normal mode again. Alright, when now you go in, make sure that the Wi-Fi is connected and you will see the Palera1n loader right on your home screen. We will discuss on how to set it up on your device, but first of all, let's go back to Windows. Press enter here. Now exit and reboot. Remove the USB flash drive and head back to Windows. Alright guys, on your device make sure that Wi-Fi is connected, and now open the Palera1n loader. You can see the version here 16.3.1, but this method will work on any iOS 16 version that is supported by Palera1n Jailbreak. Now simply hit install and it will start downloading the bootstrap. Alright, so after everything is done, you can now respring your device. Alright, when you are back after a respring, you will see Celio on your home screen. And now you can see the version iOS 16.3.1 jailbroken, and you can update your packages from here. Done. And now you can see you are good to go and everything works like normal. You may be wondering why substitute is not installed. It will be installed when you install any tweak from Celio, so don't worry about it. That's all for this video guys. If you still want to ask something, please ask in the comment section. I will reply you as soon. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.